The best way to supercharge the pop-ups on your Showit website is using BDOW. BDOW makes it easy to create advanced pop-ups that help you build a big list faster using advanced features like intelligent display rules and A/B testing. And now, Showit integrates with BDOW. Here's how you set it up. The first thing we're going to do is make sure we're logged into both our Showit account and our BDOW account. And once we're back here in Showit, we're going to navigate to Site Settings. Then we're going to find the third-party tab. Once we're in third-party, you'll see that there's a place where you can paste your BDOW site ID. Now, to find your BDOW site ID, it's super easy. You're going to head back over to BDOW. You're going to find your website. You want to hover over Manage here and find View Install Code. All you need is this site ID here. And once you click it, it's going to copy to your clipboard. Now, if you're currently using the BDOW WordPress plugin on your Showit website, you can go ahead and deactivate that because all you need is this integration. So we're going to head back on over to Showit. We're going to paste our BDOW site ID right here, and then we're going to hit Save. And that's it. That's how you install BDOW on your Showit website. And as I mentioned, it's also going to apply to your WordPress blog as well. Yes, it's really as easy as that to get started with BDOW on your Showit website. To create a BDOW account, head on over to BDOW.com, and to create a Showit account, head on over to Showit.com. And to learn more about how to supercharge your website using BDOW, be sure to subscribe to this channel.